seriously consider a career in the clothing tag industry? You know who that is? Take a guess. Harvey Rosenthal. Now, his design on the shape of the clothing tag revolutionized the business. Brilliant, brilliant man.
Mom, did girls like Dad in high school?
Oh, now look at this one. Sam Blumenthal. He organized the whole convention. Next year, I could bring you along. What do you say? I could introduce you to him.
Larry, why would he want to go to the clothing tag convention? Why would anybody want to go?
Well, they've got great food. They got spare ribs. Now, I know how you like spare ribs. It's very festive. You may even meet a lady friend. Not to mention the connections. People there can give you a career with some meaning. And, you know, you could come too. Plan for the future.
Dad, I'll design the clothes, and you can put the tags on them. Mom, you're not happy with Dad, are you?
Oh, honey,